Let's see how to check if your Samsung mobile is original or refurbished. The first method. Now check IMEI number with your mobile phone and mobile box. If both IMEI numbers are same, then your mobile is genuine. Now check your mobile model number and also check your mobile model number box. If everything is same, then your mobile is original. Second method. Go to Play Store. Then download Device Info app. Now you can get all information on your mobile, like production date, activation date, and country.